Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design your own frames on Canva. So if you don't want to use a default frames provided by Canva and you want to create the frame shape by your own, you can just follow my step here. So just open your design or open a blank canvas and head to apps. So you can just scroll down, click on this apps options, and then you can just go straight to the search bar and type in frame, and in here you'll see the frame maker. So you can just tap on this frame maker. Okay, this one's right here, you can click on that. So by using this apps right here, you can generate custom Canva frames easily. You can it comes with preset shapes that you can customize and generate your desired shape. You can now just tap on open. So the frame maker app will be open in here on the left panel. Here you can click on create, or you can also use convert. I'm going to just click on create in here. You can just double click anywhere on the preview to create a new point. So for example, I'm going to double click in here. You can see it will create a new shape. You can also drag the point just like this. So I'm going to make this house a frame, house shape frame. And after that, here you can adjust the columns, the shape. In here you can also use this preset, but if you want to use the one that you create, you can just tap on add to design. You can see now the custom frame will be automatically will be automatically added. And if you want to add the image into the frame, you can just find image that you want. Here I'm going to find a. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add, okay, this one. You can just tap on a photo that you want to use and drag it to the frame just like this. So now that's how you can create custom frame on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.